This video I will explain how to check if your business is verified on Google Pay. When you pay a shop or company using Google Pay, you may notice some accounts look more official than others. This is because some businesses are verified by Google Pay. A verified business is a shop or company that Google has checked and approved as a genuine business. Knowing how to identify this helps you to avoid fake accounts, scams, and wrong payments. You have to look for the verified badge. A verified business shows a verified badge next to its name. This badge tells you that Google has checked the business and confirmed the business is real. A normal user account will not have this badge. Only businesses can get it. You have to check the business name. A verified business will show a clear and professional business name, not a personal name. Here you can see the example. A proper business name is one of the strongest signs that the account is real. You have to look for business category. Verified businesses usually show a category like electronics store, restaurant, supermarket, pharmacy. This category is added when Google approves the business. If you do not see any category, it is likely not a verified business. You have to check if business has a business logo. Most verified businesses have logo uploaded. This makes the account look more professional and easier to recognize. Personal accounts usually show a simple letter or no logo at all. You have to confirm through Google Pay business profile. When you tab on business, you may see a business profile with details like business name, address, category, Google badge, and contact information. These details are part of the verification process, and if you only see the name and nothing else, then it is likely not verified. You have to understand verified businesses usually use a business UPI ID. A verified business often has a UPI ID that looks clean and related to the business name. Here you can see the example. And personal accounts often use UPI IDs with numbers or personal names. This helps you to identify real shops or companies on Google Pay. Now we will see how verified businesses appear on Google Pay. When you open a verified business profile on Google Pay, you will usually see verified badge next to the business name, business logo instead of personal photo, business name written clearly and properly, category of the business, address or service details, UPI ID that looks official, more details than a normal user account. These features make verified businesses easy to recognize and safer to pay. Why verification matters? A verified business means Google has checked the business identity. The business information is genuine. The chance of fraud is lower. Payments are safe and more reliable. This is why you should always check for verification before sending money to shop or company. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.